An insightful journey through the IMF AGI Preparation Report, crafted by Anton Corck, a distinguished fellow at the Brookings Institute and a prominent professor of economics. This report delves into the intricate repercussions of artificial general intelligence, AGI, on the global job market and economic landscape. Explore the concept of the frontier of automation, a term introduced by Corck himself, defined as the expanding task complexity that machines, fueled by AI, can manage. This includes both mechanical and cognitive tasks. Delve into the concerns raised about the trajectory where AI might potentially surpass the complexities of human tasks. Navigate through the two scenarios outlined by Corck. The optimistic, unbounded distribution, wherein humans continuously match increasing task complexities, and the more probable bounded distribution, suggesting a limit to human task complexity. Gain insights into the implications of these scenarios on the future of work. Examine the evolving trends in automation and AI, contemplating the likelihood of machines outstripping human capabilities in the foreseeable future. Corck presents three scenarios: business as usual, a 20-year baseline, and a more aggressive 5-year timeline, each projecting varying degrees of automation impact. Dive into the discussion surrounding job vulnerability, based on forgivability and regulation. Predictions unfold about the susceptibility of writing and image generation jobs, emphasizing the role of forgivability. Explore how regulatory and less forgivable sectors like law, medicine, and construction may be automated last. Consider the correlation between wages and output, speculating on the potential decrease in wages as automation advances. Uncover the intricate dynamics between human compensation and the increasing role of machines in various sectors. Discover the proposed categories of persistent jobs in an automated future, from nostalgic jobs like mayors and presidents to experienced jobs such as tour guides and performing artists, and care jobs including child care and nursing. Explore potential anchors in an era dominated by automation. Conclude the exploration with an acknowledgement of diverse opinions on AI's future, a tantalizing hint of upcoming videos focusing on policy recommendations, and a glimpse into 3 enduring job categories that might play pivotal roles in navigating the complexities of an automated future.